Just got some petite sirloin steaks here, and we're going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on it and get it all just coated down real good. And I'm using my hot dirty bird rub that I made myself. You can see it in the last video exactly how I made it. We're going to cover the steak in this. There it is, all coated in that seasoning. I'm just going to let this set a minute, and we're going to get the fire going out back. Here we go. So we're just cooking it on the Weber Smokey Mountain, but just the bottom of it. I mean, I have the other piece right here. Just took the bottom off, put some coals on there, maybe put a few too many, but I wanted some on this side and not as many on this side for indirect cooking. And these aren't very big, so shouldn't take too long to cook these. And I'm going to first place them right, look at that, oh, right over the coals. Well, about 2 minutes per side. Yeah. Just like that, right over the charcoal. Tell me, nothing's better than over the charcoal, right? So I'm also going to cook these to about 120 degrees, 125 degrees, 130 degrees is typically medium rare. Got a good flame going right there. That's kind of what I'm looking for, so we'll see how it gets here. This is more about trying out my new seasoning, that Dirty Bird seasoning, which I'll put a card up here if you want to check it out, how I made it. And we're going to see how it tastes on these steaks. I think it should go great with just about anything, so. I'll go ahead and flip these. Oh yeah, nice sear. We're gonna hit this side for another minute or so, minute and a half. Then we're gonna put them over here and let them till they get done. Look at that. Yep, I'm gonna go just a little bit longer. Yep. Let that sear get in there just a bit more. Gotta have a good sear on this steak, you know. Now we've got a good sear on both sides. I'm going to place them over here where the fire's not directly hitting them, but it's still going to keep heat coming toward them. And then we can monitor the internal temperature. We're already getting close. These aren't very big. That one's at 114, 116, 104. So we'll cook them just a bit, about a minute on each side, and flip them and then check them out. All right, there it is. I've got a whole batch of them here. Look at that. But we're going to go ahead and test this one here using that Dirty Bird recipe that I made, my seasonings from my last episode. Let's cut into this and see how it looks first and foremost.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look at the taste and the spice, because this was also used some spiciness too. So, wow, nice little pink right there. Yeah, let's take a look at that. That Dirty Bird has a nice kick. If you like spice, that's not too spicy though. Be sure and check that out. Excellent steak. So